Today we will study about the classification of soil. First soil is the alluvial soil. Alluvial soil, the entire northern plains are made of alluvial soil. It is the most abundant found soil in the India. The alluvial soil is deposited by three important Himalayan rivers, by Indus, by Ganga and Brahmaputra. It is also found in Rajasthan, Gujarat, and eastern coastal plains, particularly in the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. So you can say it is found in North India and South India as well. The alluvial soil consists of various proportion of sand, silt, and clay. As you move inland towards the river valleys, soil particles appear to be bigger in the size, whereas in the upper side of the river valley, the soils are coarse. Based on age, alluvial soil can be classified as old alluvial soil, means Bangar, that is also known as Bangar soil. The Bangar soil has a high concentration of concord nodules than the Khadar. New alluvial soil is known as Khadar. It is more also particle and is more fertile than the Bangar. Alluvial soils are very fertile. These soils contain an adequate proportion of potash, phosphoric acid and lime, which are ideal for the growth of sugarcane, paddy, wheat and other cereal crops. Thank you. Now the second soil is black soil. We will study about the black soil. You know the black soil is black in color. It is also known as Ragar soil. Climatic conditions along the parent rock material are the important factor for the formation of black soil. The soil is ideal for growth of the cotton. It is also known as black cotton soil. This type of soil is typical of the Deccan Trap region spread over the northwest Deccan Plateau and is made up of lava flow. Lava means that is ejected out from the volcano. The soil covers the plateau of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and extends in the southeast direction along the Godavari and Krishna valleys also. The black soil are made up of extremely fine clay material and well known for their capacity to hold moisture. Black soil is nutrient rich and contains calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash and lime. The soil is sticky when wet and difficult to work on unless tilled immediately after the first shower or during the pre-monsoon period. So you can understand the question are asked like that. Explain the black soil, explain the areas of black soil, for which type of crop it is very much beneficial. The question comes about 3 marks, in which majorly they focus over the types of soil, area where they are found, and the crop for which they are made up. And sometimes it comes into a map to show black soil. Dear student, today we will deal with the red and yellow soil. This type of soil develops on the crystalline igneous rocks in the areas of low rainfall in the eastern and southern part of the Deccan Plateau. You know the Deccan Plateau? It is near Maharashtra region, Bhopal, somewhat MP region, Chhattisgarh region. This soil develops a reddish color due to diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. It looks yellow when it occurs in a hydrated form. Generally it is of red color when it comes into hydrated form, जब उसमें थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चर मिल जाता है तो उसके बाद धीरे धीरे कुछ एरिया में आप देखेंगे कि वो येलो कलर में भी मिलता है. Found in the parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of Middle Ganga plain and along the Piedmont zone of Western Ghats. Generally it is found in the Odisha, Chhattisgarh and southern part of Ganga plain and few areas of Western Ghats also. Thank you. Dear student, in this slide we will deal with the laterite soil. The laterite soil develops under tropical and subtropical climate with alternate wet and dry season. ये ट्रॉपिकल सब ट्रॉपिकल क्लाइमेट का सॉयल है. यहाँ अल्टरनेट वेट और ड्राई सीजन होता है. The soil is the result of intense leaching due to heavy rain. It is found in the area where we are having a very heavy rainfall. We are having a heavy rainfall in the tropical areas of equator. Laterite soil are acidic in nature, generally deficient in plant nutrients. This type of soil is mostly found in southern states means South India, western Ghat of Maharashtra means those areas which are near the Arabian Sea, Odisha and some parts of West Bengal also, and northeast region is full of laterite soil. The soil supports the deciduous and evergreen forest, but humus poor. The area where laterite soil is present, they are area of heavy rainfall. It means they are having a dense forest. So we are having a evergreen forest there. The soil is very much useful for the tea and coffee. Northeast region, we are having plenty of tea and coffee plantation. Southern area also we are having tea plantation and coffee plantation. So the soil is very much good soil for tea and coffee plantation, and it is found in the area of evergreen forest. Thank you. In this slide we will deal with the arid soil. Arid soil is a type of soil which range from the red, its color red to brown in color. Sometimes it is red, sometimes it is brown in color. The soil is generally sandy in texture. Sandy in texture because it is found where we are having deficiency of rainfall. And saline in nature. Saline in nature because it is found generally near the areas located near the sea. In some areas the salt content is very high and common salt is obtained from evaporating the water. Now you can understand where this all salt is found. Arid soil lacks humus and moisture. Arid soil is having very low quantity of moisture and humus. The lower horizon of the soil are occupied by conker because of the increasing calcium content downwards. The conker layer formation in the bottom horizon restrict the infiltration of water. So you can understand when calcium layer will be formed, small conker deposit will be there, then water cannot be percolate towards the downwards and the area become just like arid, and it is not very much good for the cultivation and growing crops. Thank you. Slide we will deal with the forest soil. Forest soil. These soil are found in the hilly areas and mountainous areas. Here you can see the Himalaya belts and northeast area, all the seven sisters. These soil are mainly found over that area. Means from Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, then towards Nepal, Bhutan, northeast area, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills, all. The soil texture is loamy and silty in the valley sides and coarse grain in the upper slopes. So you can understand that it is coarse in the upper slopes and towards down slopes it is silty and loamy. In the snow-covered areas of Himalaya, the soil experiences denudation and are acidic with low humus content. Very low humus is there because always covered with snow. The soil is fertile on river terraces and alluvial fans. When the soil moves from upper side towards the valley side, then it becomes the fertile, and we have a little bit cultivation over there. Thank you. In this slide I will talk about the different types of soil. You can see the picture very clearly. First of all, we will talk about the mountainous and forest soil. You can see it is in green color and it is found in Jammu Kashmir region, Himachal region, then northeast states. Next is take arid soil. I told you that it is found in area where we are having very less rainfall. It is quite acidic in nature. You can see the yellow color patch over the Rajasthan region. Then comes to alluvial soil. It is light green. You can see entire north area is having a alluvial soil. It is very much fertile layer of soil. It is also found towards the Assam, which is light green color, alluvial soil. It is found in the Ganga Doab region, means where Ganga and Yamuna meets. It is very much fertile soil. Then comes towards the black soil. It is in grey in color. It covers a great patch of India. You can see very clearly starting from the MP region, Maharashtra region, some parts of Karnataka also, and in some parts of Gujarat also, we are having this black soil. It is very much good for cotton cultivation. Then comes towards red and yellow soil. All the South India and Chhattisgarh region, Odisha region, northeast region, the red and yellow soil you can see. It is found. It covers also very great patch of India. After that, the left is the laterite soil. The laterite soil is in pink color. It's very few parts of India having laterite soil. Small patches are there. I told you Western Ghat of Maharashtra region. You can see western area of coastal India near the Arabian Sea, that is having a laterite soil. It is found due to leaching. It is very much helpful in the tea and coffee cultivation. That's why Karnataka region is having good coffee cultivation, tea cultivation. In some parts of northeast also you can see this type of soil. Thank you.